Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving my resale predictions and talking about how to cop the upcoming Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lundmark in both the non-reflective and the reflective colorways, releasing exclusively in North and Latin America. These are going to be pretty limited and a difficult sneaker to get your hands on. To begin, if you want to maximize your chances of copying a pair of these, I've actually partnered up with a company called the Lace Network to give you guys a 10% discount code on their site. Now, the Lace Network is a premium cook group that provides early links and helpful methods through Discord to its members and has had tremendous success in the past, as shown on their Instagram account at the Lace Network. They work in every country, so if you're outside the US, no worries, you can still use their program to cop limited shoes. From my personal experience, they are the best cook group out there with the most helpful staff on guiding you how to cop limited edition sneakers and making a lot of money on the resale market. Now, I'm going to link them down below. If you want to sign up for a membership, please use the code EDS10, all lowercase, for 10% off your membership fee of $30. Now, all of this info will be listed in the video description and the comments down below, so go ahead and give it a try. Now, getting right into the video itself, the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Lundmark is part of a regional pack, is only going to be releasing in North and Latin America as mentioned earlier. Now, from the three colorways of the regional pack, this is definitely my favorite, so I'm glad it's releasing in America. Now, the reflective pair will be releasing in adult sizing only on July 11th for a retail price of $220. For this pair, I would say keep an eye out for a Yeezy supply shock drop around July 10th, which the Lace Network could definitely help you with, and the official Adidas drop on July 11th. Guys, these are super limited as the stock number is set between 3,000 to 5,000 pairs, so getting a pair is going to be extremely difficult, hence the high resale prices. On the other hand, the non-reflective pair will be releasing in full family sizing, ranging all the way from adults to kids to infants. Now, this pair will be releasing on July 13th, 2 days after the reflective pair. Once again, I anticipate a Yeezy supply shock drop and of course an official release on Adidas on July 13th. However, with this one, plenty of other foot sites such as Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action, and boutiques such as Kith, SNS, Sense, and others will be getting them. Now, I would suggest going and doing all the raffles and finding out the release info for each and every single store if you want to get a pair. That's your best shot. I will include the link to the full store list in the description and the comments below, so go ahead and check that out as well. In terms of stock numbers, I'm hearing these are around 110,000 pairs, which is similar to the Antlias that dropped in June. Now, that may seem like a lot, but at the same time, only 110,000 for a shoe that a lot of people want isn't too much. With that said, let's get right into the resale predictions, starting off with the more limited reflective pair. With the concept being so hyped right now, I expect them to go around 800 to over 1,000 once they drop. Now, the money sizes will be 5 through 6.5, the smaller sizes, and the average resale for common sizes, just 8 through 11, will fall between, I'm thinking, $800 to about $900. Now, the non-reflective pair is more widely available, and because of that, we'll go for a lot less money on the resale market. For these, I expect them to go between $330 to $400. Once again, the upper end being the smaller sizes, 5 through 6.5. Common sizes, just 8 through 11, will be selling for around $360 to $375. As you guys can see with the prices on StockX right now, they're going for between $350 to $450, so I don't expect that to change too much once it actually releases. Also, since it comes in full family sizing, I would suggest going for the kids and infant pairs as well, as some of the sizes can actually be very profitable. Just do your research, but definitely try to get them. Alright, with all that said, if you want your best shot at copying a pair, please make sure to sign up to the Lace Network using my code EDS10. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was actually helpful to you guys, and if it was, please subscribe for more.